Today I'm making another depression recipe. This is called potatoes and beans. The ingredients are 2 potatoes, which I scrubbed already, and a can of beans. My mom used to eat this during the Depression, and later on she would make this often for my father, because my father loved beans and he loved potatoes. So he was very happy with this simple meal for a dinner. The first thing I have to do is cook the potatoes for about maybe 20 minutes till they get softened. I'm cooking the potatoes on a medium heat. Now the potatoes are in the boiling water and we're going to let them boil for about 20 minutes. We want to have them fork tender. When you stick the fork in, it should be, you could pierce the fork into the potatoes with ease. The potatoes are now partially cooked because, as you can see, I could get the fork in them. I want to partially cook the potatoes so when I cut them up to put them in the frying pan, there'll be a shorter time to cook. I drained the liquid out and now I have the potatoes sitting in my Tupperware strainer and ready to cool a little bit before I cut them up. The potatoes are pretty cool now that I could handle them, so I'm going to start cutting the potato up. I'm leaving the skins on. If you don't want the skins, you could take the skin off, but I'm going to cook it with whatever skin is remaining on the potato. The potatoes are cut up now, so they're ready to be fried in the frying pan. And I have my can of beans. I opened it and put them in a bowl. I put oil in the pan that has melted, and now I'm adding my potatoes. And now I'll cook the potatoes. As you can see, they fell apart a little bit because I cooked them about 20 minutes, but it's faster. Otherwise, if I just cut the potatoes and put it in here, it would have took longer to get them to be tender. And I just want to make this the quick meal that it is. Very simple and quick. I'm cooking them on medium heat for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to add a little pepper to it. Of course, you know, Grandpa and I, we don't cook with any salt, but I am using pepper. The potatoes are now browned, and I'm ready to add my beans. So I'm just going to add my beans on top and to warm them up. And this will be a nice, inexpensive meal. Beans and potatoes. As you can see, this is done now because it just takes a few minutes to heat up the beans. If you wanted to, you could always add an egg to this or whatever spices you like. But this is how the Depression recipe was. Just 2 ingredients. And it makes a nice quick little meal. How's it taste, Grandpa?
I'll let you know in a minute, right after I put my ketchup on there.
Yeah, I know you like ketchup on your potatoes.
Well, you put them on French fries, so why can't you put them on any old potato? Tastes good, Ma.
Glad you like this simple and easy recipe. Depression era recipes are great. Very few ingredients and very quick meals. In no time, you could have a nice meal, right?
Yes.
You can't go hungry, that's for sure. As long as you have potatoes in the house and a can of beans, you're all set for a nice meal.